Very few profitable and successful systems are simplified by saving you time and money. They are very far and in between, until now. SENDSHARK allows you to build your community of hot buyers and future customers. It's easy, fun, highly rewarding, and gratifying. Seeing instant results is a rush. It's based around the success of other people's businesses, making them highly engaged and profitable with simplicity and stability. SENDSHARK is scaling out to the masses with overnight success. Profit from any location or tropical destinations in the world with simplicity. With ease, SENDSHARK allows you to create the most effective list building funnel pages that are tied directly to an automated email follow-up system. This complete community grower of hot buyers works for everyone and every business. Bar none, the fastest and easiest way in building a list of subscribers. From choosing a template, modifying text and images, adding video, and attaching a form to collect a name and email address, within minutes, all published and live to the world. Point, click, drag, and drop. Absolutely no coding required, and it's all tied to the SENDSHARK autoresponder email platform, so you can immediately communicate with your new list of subscribers, set up an email follow-up series, or immediately send an email broadcast to all subscribers, and/or pick your day and time to send. Technology can be a frightening word, with hours of education needed in many cases. SENDSHARK takes the worries and learning curve out of the equation and works for any business model very quickly. Whatever your business model may be, sales and building a community of hot buyers are the same for any niche. Target your businesses and leads for amazing leadership value, product and self-branding, and massive profits. Lives and business are changing, improving and becoming cash-rich, with SENDSHARK leading the way, making things so much easier for everyone. We sell travel. We sell health and wellness. We sell supplements. We sell social media marketing. We sell furry animals. We sell information.
Before SENDSHARK, nobody knew me or who I was. Now my company is global, and I have a great list of subscribers that are both clients, friends, and spokesmen for my products and upcoming launches.
SENDSHARK is not based on software and technologies. It's entirely about our global community of people, from new startups to seasoned businesses that instantly become raving fans because of their phenomenal results, which impact emotions, well-being, and financial state. SENDSHARK is an amazing healthy addiction that changes lives and business from all over the world.
The beauty with SENDSHARK, it has given me the ability to start my business fast, execute my digital products globally, and gain that important know, like, and trust with my list of subscribers, which always generates into huge profits.
You can create lead pages and send email from anywhere in the world, which transcribes to making money from anywhere in the world. SENDSHARK has the best deliverability I have ever seen. SENDSHARK wants true success for you. It's all about the people. Everyone is just one page and one email send away from changing their life forever.